Hello all warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today I'm gonna share with you guys my new idea about the new series I'm going to do, the Arena Challenge. So what is the Arena Challenge? Because right now, because the COVID is very bad situation in Canada right now. So basically we are not be able to hosting any race, especially in Winnipeg, the city I am. I'm not be able to host any race right now because I don't want to put anybody into dangers. So that's why I figured out this Arena Challenge. That's like it's only like one-on-one, so which means I'm gonna race with the other racers. Okay, so this way we can keep the social distance and also we can play safe. Okay, and now I'm gonna talk about a little bit about the rules about the Arena Challenge. So here you can see there's a track layout, and this is what we're gonna use for the Arena Challenge. So of course it's based on the place. For example, if that's in Winnipeg, then we're gonna use in this track. And if that's in, let's say, a couple days after I'm going to Toronto, I'm going to visit to Toronto, and then I will using their track. So the track, whatever they have, then we're gonna using that, and based on that, we're gonna add some different kind of setup. Give you an example, like this one, you can see the picture inside, all like the rocking straight orange jump, AO jump, red jump, digital curve, whatever, blah 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 blah. So also some stuff they have, but I don't. So we will base on that. So me and the other persons, we're gonna pick randomly, see which one we pick, and we're gonna add that to the track. Or if that's already on the track, we're gonna take it out, or you can keep over there. So even though just a little bit change, but that's gonna change a lot and lots for the setup. So it's gonna make the setup totally different. Maybe the everything has to be all the way like over again, you know. So the rules is after we set up the track, and there's no test running. Okay, there's no test running, and then we got 20 minutes to study the track just in our mind, and to think about how can we to make our car the setup is good on that track. And then after 20 minutes we're gonna race. There will be 5 races, okay, and each race there will be 10 minutes between, and for us to adjust our car. Okay, so the how to consider as a win, like we will have 5 races. So as long as you won 3 races first, then you will win the race. Okay, so this is how we get the race done. And also if you win, of course the friendship is the first priority, and the second will be the race, right? Okay, so the winner, let's say if I lost, I will buy a winner a drink. Okay, so that's because we don't want to break, like, you know, we want to make friends. All right, so that's like the race is just for fun. Okay, but I don't want to like have like a bad relationship with my friend, right? So this is how we're gonna do for the winners. Okay, so that's the thing. And the other thing is also, because I believe if you watching this video and you already know what setup that I have, because I think you watch my video, then you see a lot of my car setup. And then in the Arena Challenge, I'm also introducing the other drivers, like the other racers' car, and to you, then you might have some idea from the different person, because they might gonna have different idea. Okay, and that's might be the something we can learn from the other person. And also during the time we are racing, there might be something, you know, because we are not be able to test run our car, so we have to figure it out how can we complete the track. So that there's might be some idea we have in our mind during the race, and then after race we will be able to share with you guys. So next time if you are facing to the race, let's say AO jump, we try the AO jump, then we know how to you know, complete it, and then we can give you some idea and how we get it done. All right, so this is the old idea about the Arena Challenge. Okay, so this is today's video about the Arena Challenge. So I will see you next time. Bye.